Today's Take a C.A.B. is brought to you by Body Within Healing. If you like, click like and subscribe, and there'll be many more. Today, we're just going to take our time and we're just going to go into the garden. My favorite part of this picture is the entire picture is yellow. If you look at it, how many shades of yellow are in this photo? And nature is so beautiful that it just, every piece of that sunflower highlights, even though it's all of the same color. So let's just take a walk into the garden and take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Look at the picture. And you're going to figure eight yourself into the picture like we've done with other ones. Just become part of the picture. Feel the sun. Think about the bee. Is it making noise or isn't it? Think about all those little pieces of the sunflower going from one to the other, just minding its own business, just doing what it needs to do, stockpiling the pollen so it can take it back to its hive. But it's so quiet. Other bees come around, doesn't move, doesn't hesitate to what it's doing. It's just in its moment, focusing on getting its pollen. Sometimes we can't focus because we're so distracted with everything else that's going on around us, and we're worried about things that have no value to what we're trying to accomplish. Busy as a bee has a certain connotation to it, and I think that if we can just focus on just what we're doing and stay in that moment, life can be so much more peaceful for us. The everyday stressors that's going on around us at work, home, with families, in the news, it's just too much. It's just too much. So just sit in the sun, take in the sunflower, and just become the bee for a minute. And as you become the bee, what are you doing next? Once you grab all that pollen, what happens? And it's just natural for it to go back to its hive. It doesn't have to think about it, it just knows. It's all programmed somehow inside its DNA to know where to go and what to do. Versus get caught in, do I go right? Do I go left? What do I do? Is somebody in my way? The bee just is. And so are you right now. In and out. Just feel that sun. Just think about how many sunflowers are around besides that one sunflower, and how many bees, and you can just hear the humming of the bees because they're everywhere. They're not going to bother you, they're just doing their job. They don't care that you're looking at them. And just sit with the sunflowers and the bees. Really focus on that sun just warming your body. It's just so warm and so peaceful. You can stay as long as you'd like. And just keep breathing. Forget everything in this moment. When you're ready, take a couple more quicker breaths and start to open your eyes. And just try to regain your focus. And enjoy your day. Your body within thanks you.